Hi, in this video let me show you how to add Netflix to your MacBook Neo. So the first thing we need to do is to open Safari. Once you open Safari, you're going to type right on the top netflix.com. Wait until it's loading, and at this point you can log in. It's not important. To add Netflix, you're going to go on the top top left corner, of your MacBook Neo. Click on File, and now you're going to select Add to Dock. Over here, I suggest you delete everything and you simply leave Netflix as the name. And then press Add. Let me close everything. So now you have added Netflix to your MacBook Neo. Every time you want to use it, you're going to go on your dock, you're going to press Netflix, and Netflix will open, you'll be logged in, and everything will work as it's supposed to. As you see, it's not a regular web browser page. You don't have your bookmarks on the top just like when you browse internet. It looks like a standalone app made just for Netflix. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.